Hey everybody, I'm Aaron and I'm here with Megan and Michelle. We are your program coordinators with the Saskatoon Industry-Education Council, and we're here to tell you about our upcoming programming this February.
We're very excited to be offering our Spotlight on Careers event back in person again this year. And on Tuesday, February 28th, we'll host our Spotlight on Business and Finance at Edwards School of Business. And students will also get to tour Nutrient Tower downtown, where they will learn from industry professionals working in the business and finance sector. So be sure to sign up for this event before February 14th to reserve your spot. And if you want to learn more about careers in the business and finance sector, be sure to check out our Spotlight on Careers page, where we have interviews with industry professionals, our post-secondary video series, as well as events from past years. And be sure to stay tuned for our upcoming Spotlight on Careers events and check out our website to view past events.
And we are very excited to bring to you a new round of boot camps in 2023. If you find yourself a more hands-on learner and you want to explore some really cool careers, then check out our boot camp page. We have boot camps ranging from welding, robotics, culinary. We got something for everyone, so give it a look.
And don't forget that our 2023 edition of Relevance magazine is out. So teachers, you can use this in your classroom, and students, check it out to learn from some young professionals about their career journeys. And to keep up to date with all of our events, be sure to follow us on any of these social media platforms, subscribe to us on YouTube, and check out our website. We look forward to working with you.